let's take a look at how to make captions for your images. It's really super easy in HTML5. I've got the code that we worked on in the last video for this lecture still here, but we're going to change it slightly. So instead of having a section, I'm going to have a figure. Figure is used sometimes with images, and that is just fine. One of the reasons that you can use that I changed this is because it's got an extra child element that you can use with it, and that child element is called Figcaption. And that's where our caption is going to come from. So you just nest it inside there just below your image, and you write whatever you'd want to be printed on your screen. So I'm going to just pretend that this is going to be the name of my particular photo, and let's call this Green Jungle Leaves from Pixabay. Oop, Pixababy, pixabay.com. Let's save that file, and then I'm going to refresh my page and see what it looks like. Oh, yep, there it is, right down there at the bottom of my huge image. We're going to fix that huge image a little bit later today. Okay, so I always like to make things a little bit easier for people to find. So instead of just leaving it that as just with the text, I'm going to add a link out to that particular image. Target equals okay, hold on just a second. Hey, target, there we go. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come over here and grab that link from Pixabay, grab the URL I mean, and I'm going to insert that right here between these quotes. For the target, I'm going to tell it to open it in a brand new window, and that's going to be target equals underscore blank. And there we go. So let me pull that off to the side. I'm going to refresh this browser, and now you can see that it's right down here, and yes, I've got a clickable link that opens a brand new browser window and takes me directly to the image that I have displayed on the screen. For me, that's a nice way to give credit to the person that created this image, because intellectual property considerations are very, very important. I want people to know where I got my stuff from. So this is one of the ways that I do it. Okay. Now, as with any other thing in HTML5, you can style this fig caption. If you wanted this to be centered, just use a little bit of CSS on it and fix it to do that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed seeing how to create a caption with Figcaption. One last point that I want to point out to you is that when you go into WordPress and you see something called a caption, this is actually what you're creating. Okay, they're actually using Figcaption. So some of the themes will have it displayed, some may not, but this is the code you are actually writing when you just type in the human readable part of this. So that the human readable part of it would be like the green jungle leaves. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email or drop me a line in the discussions area. Have a good day.